yeah. I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to yet another legendary episode of Throttle Response Worldwide. And today, I'm introducing you to a very good friend of mine. In fact, we are so close, it's safe to say we are brothers from different mothers. Yes, I've known this guy for about 20 years now. He grew up in front of me and he has been like a brother ever since. His name is Tyrell and he is the owner of this beautiful 500 horsepower Audi RS3. So yeah guys, Tyrell and I have spoken about it already and we will be doing a full review on this awesome car in due time. I wanted to do a review on his Stage 2 Golf R a while back, but I didn't get the chance to. But that ain't no biggie cause now he got something faster. There are plans to run the car on E85 and the car will be tuned by Rogue Performance in Johannesburg, South Africa. So guys, yes, look out for this car. Stay tuned for more content on this awesome car, and I promise you guys you will not be disappointed. For those of you who know me, you will know I'm about to have the best time of my life. Catch you on the flip side.
So now I know I play the new Forges. So now I know what it is. I got into the underneath because I made niggas die. So by the way, I keep 100 we kick GTRs and M2. Excuse the language. I was broke now, bro. I get Tyrell. He's having the best life ever, guys. This is what we love. I had decided to make it now. I'm sick, man. These bitches know me now. Cause I got this shit, cause I'm getting money now. Watch out, young nigga on the corner, bitch. I hate it. First keep it running me some things that they can't burst, man. Even though no applause, just car shiny. Show me no place, me. From the yard, show your seat. Got a new all in there. Fuck that you drive. Fuck you drive, boy. I tap into the bottoms is on your lips. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my G. I really believe it, I'm with the whole team. Now nigga take us a call cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting bags in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. Waking up getting that money, walk got a bag, bitch, take a walk. Get your charges, cause I'm fucking up.
From the best, he learned from me. Hey, but sick.
Oh.
哦。 Respect your elders, TFSI.
Wait, Pop's house now. Why would I?
Let me not even mention her name in this video, bro. Jesus.
Sorry, man. I said it loud.
Yeah, don't worry, bro. Take your time.
Robot always closes, bro. Come I tell you, ne?
This is Josie.
And the police is
I am
always fucking
home.
driving these funny cars.
I am home.
This is like the fucking July truck.
This is it.
This is the heavy.
Oh, we caught that guy that did 300 on the highway.
The barracks.
I said to him,
Paras.
listen,
The barracks.
get out of...
They look some
we know
those
you
Owens.
are-
Yeah, those ones give you hiding back.
Yeah, it's them, man.
Yeah.
The blue light today.
Catch me if you can,
It's
nigga.
klar, weil ich sehe den anderen Guy.
Catch me if you can. Barracks. Catch me if you can. No, they're gonna flock trying to catch us, bruh. We live for this stuff.
I also came this. This is my tummy. This tire.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video right till the end. I really do appreciate it, guys. And if you have liked this video, I want to say thank you in advance. But we've reached the end of this video for the day, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. For those of you who don't know, Throttle Response is a channel that deals with everything to do with cars. Modifying, racing, track days, drag racing, stunts. I'm a car lover, so I want everything to do with cars, and that is what this channel is about. So if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and please support me by giving this video a thumbs up. Damn, this roads in South Africa, my goodness. Yes guys, so I really appreciate it, and I really look forward to seeing you guys again in the next video. Stay tuned. Throttle Response Worldwide. Spread love, guys. Keep it real.